Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. There's a couple of ways to install the additional watch faces on this watch. The first method is to do it directly on the watch via the Google Play Store. The second method is to do it via the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And the last method is to do it through the third-party application that you can download from the Google Play Store. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to do it directly on the watch. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. And in the menu you should see the Google Play Store icon. You can tap on it to open the Google Play Store. Be aware though, if you want to use the Google Play Store on your watch, you need to be connected to the internet with your watch, and also you need to have the Google account added to your watch. So if you want to do that, you can basically connect, or rather add the Google account via the Galaxy wearable application on your phone. Once you have the internet connection and Google account on your watch, you can open the Google Play Store, and here you can scroll through the list of categories, find the category called watch faces, and right here you have the list of watch faces you can install on your watch. Find the one you like. As you can see, some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free. I'm just gonna select this free one, and then you should see this install button. You can also check the ratings and how many people downloaded it, and also the description of the watch face. I'm just gonna tap on install and wait until it's done installing. And once it's done installing, you can close the Google Play Store by pressing the back button a couple of times. And now we need to apply it. And to apply it, simply press and hold on the home screen on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Come on, like this. Then scroll through the menu, find this Add Watch Face button, tap on it, and here scroll to the end of the list. And at the end of the list, you should see your watch face that you installed. Right here, Hitoshi cluster. We can tap on it to select it and add it to the list of watch faces right here. And then you can tap on it, tap on allow to allow the permission, and you should be able to apply it like this. So that's how you install the watch faces directly from the watch. Now, let's move the watch a little bit to side, bring our phone closer right here, and let's open the Galaxy wearable application, of course on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. Okay, let me readjust the watch a little. Like this. Oh, now it's good. Okay, so once you open the application, you should see the device page for your Galaxy Watch 5. And on it, you should see the watch faces. You can tap on this option. And here we have different categories of watch faces. You can scroll through the category, and in some categories, you should see the watch face with this download button. And basically, you can download and install watch faces that have this download button. So you can tap on one, and it should theoretically should download and install on your watch and be applied. But for some reason, I tried it before, and for some reason it keeps giving me the same error that we have a network connection problem, but I have internet, so I don't know. But it should work in theory. You should just be able to tap on it, install it, and it should be applied on your watch. I don't know why it's not working, but maybe it's just a bug. Okay, so let's close the Galaxy wearable app, and now let's install the third-party application. So let's open the Google Play Store on our phone. Tap right here on search, type in Facer, for example. And this is the third-party application we can use to install the watch faces. So let's tap on install button to download and install it. Also, we need to download and install it on our watch. So let's wake up the screen on our watch. Open the Google Play Store on the watch rather. Then tap on search, type in Facer. Go away. Okay, and then tap search. As you can see, it installed on our phone. We can tap on the open to open it. Let's install it on our watch, like that. And in the phone application, we can select the watch. Our watch is Galaxy Watch 5, so it's selected. And here we can select basically watch faces styles that we like to get the more personalized recommendations, basically. So I'm gonna select this one, for example, this one, and this one. Okay, once the app loads, we can tap on Explore, for example. I mean, here you have different categories of watch faces you can scroll through. As you can see, for some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free, but basically it works like a Google Play Store. You have different categories of watch faces. You can scroll through them and look for the watch faces. I'm just gonna tap on Explore right here and find the category, for example, gaming. Okay, and we are in the gaming category. And as you can see, we have a list of watch faces we can download and install. For example, the Fallout one, Pip-Boy. Let's tap on it. Then we need to tap on OK and allow the location for the, or rather permission for the location. So we need to tap on while using the app. And once you allow the permission for the location, you can tap on this button right here to start syncing the watch face. But before that, go back to your watch, check if the application is installed, and is. So we can go back to the home screen, to the watch face, then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, scroll through the list of watch faces, tap on add watch face, and here we need to find the phaser. So let's scroll to the end, and right here we have the phaser. We need to select it and then apply it. For the moment, the watch face will be black, but let's tap on OK right here to confirm. As you can see, the watch face is just black. We need to allow the permission, like this. Oh, and it opened the app again, but we just don't care. Oh no, it's just watch face. It just looks like watch face, but okay. Once you see this, we can go back to our watch face. I don't know why it moved us to the homepage of the app. That was kind of different. I mean, weird. But select the watch face you want to install basically on your watch. Then tap on this button right here. And let's see. We need to allow the permission again. And after you allow the permission, the watch face will be synced to your watch, as you can see. And we can now select different ones. For example, this one. And just tap on the button to sync it to our watch. Some of them take longer to basically load and sync to our watch, but all of them, or maybe most of them, should be working. Like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. Okay, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.